Welcome to Econophysics Lab tutorials. In the tutorial series, we apply the concepts to real-world events, global disruptions, and economic phenomena. The Strait of Hormuz is a critical choke point in the global system, influencing energy, shipping, markets, and the economy. This narrow waterway is vital to the world's functioning. Before the Strait of Hormuz, there was the vast Tethys Ocean, a crucial part of Earth's geological history. Its legacy lives on in the shape of our world today. The collision of tectonic plates reshaped our planet, closing the Tethys Ocean and forming the geological architecture we see today. The Persian Gulf's geology made it a natural reservoir for oil, storing energy over millions of years and shaping modern geopolitics. From ancient oceans to modern energy lifelines, the Strait of Hormuz remains a critical choke point, shaping global systems. The Strait of Hormuz, though narrow, is a vital artery for global energy trade, connecting the world's energy heart to its needs. The Persian Gulf's vast energy resources funnel through the narrow Strait of Hormuz, concentrating global energy flows. Large-scale systems become fragile when they rely on narrow pathways, like the Strait of Hormuz, where efficiency meets vulnerability. The Strait of Hormuz is a global choke point, connecting energy flows worldwide and affecting countless connections. Modern life depends on seamless energy flow through the Strait of Hormuz, but this stability masks underlying vulnerabilities. The Strait of Hormuz illustrates how geography shapes economics and complexity, influencing global systems from a single point. The Strait of Hormuz, though small, has a significant impact on global energy and trade, affecting billions of lives. The Strait of Hormuz exemplifies how local geography can create global dependencies, affecting everyday life worldwide. The Strait of Hormuz connects multiple systems, from energy to consumers, illustrating a fractal chain of influence. In complex systems, small disruptions at the Strait of Hormuz can ripple outward, causing significant global impacts. Fractals illustrate how nature and civilization solve distribution problems, with the Strait of Hormuz as a key example. The Strait of Hormuz, though small, controls a significant share of global energy flows, illustrating the power of fractal influence. The Strait of Hormuz shows how fragility at a critical point can spread uncertainty throughout global systems. In the financial world, markets react instantly to expectations, while physical supply chains move slowly, highlighting the power of perception. Information and expectations travel at the speed of light, affecting markets faster than physical supply shocks can occur. Energy markets are the first to react when disturbances occur, with the nearest systems feeling the impact first. The Strait of Hormuz is a critical point where oil, gas, and shipping markets are affected. Proximity to the disturbance means these markets always move first. A single disturbance can create multiple waves across interconnected systems. From oil and gas to consumers, each sector feels the impact. The speed of wave travel determines the extent of consequences, emphasizing the importance of speed, scale, and interconnection. Turbulence tends to attract more turbulence, with periods of instability clustering together. The oil price volatility index illustrates how calm periods are often followed by bursts of volatility, leading to persistent turbulence. Order, disturbance, and turbulence are interconnected, with similar patterns observed in different systems. Understanding these patterns is crucial, as turbulence is a natural response of complex systems. Feedback loops can turn uncertainty into instability, as seen in real market examples like the 2008 financial crisis and the 2020 COVID crash. The more connected the system, the stronger the feedback, amplifying fear and price drops. Markets are more than just prices, they are a living architecture of civilization. Behind every price movement is a world responding, with systems moving, adapting, and evolving. Modern civilization thrives on continuous flows of energy, goods, information, and capital. The world is not static, it is a living system of continuous flows that keep everything moving. Most of civilization's infrastructure is hidden beneath the surface, supporting energy, logistics, communications, finance, and governance. These invisible systems are crucial for the visible world we experience. Critical nodes like Hormuz shape the entire network, carrying the flows that power everything else. While not everything is important, the right few are crucial for the system's stability. Calm periods can be deceptive, as fragility often accumulates beneath the surface. Systems may fail when pushed, highlighting the need for resilience and awareness of underlying stress. Small structures, like the Strait of Hormuz, can have a significant impact due to their connectivity. In a connected world, small disruptions can cascade globally, influencing history. Understanding interconnected systems can change everything. Small structures can create global consequences, emphasizing the need to respect the system, build resilience, and think in systems.